Hi, welcome to my channel. I want to take a moment to thank all my Patreon supporters. You can find me on Patreon as Carlos M. Kitchen as well. Now that that is out of the way, we want to oil a cookie sheet. Before I unfold the grocery store bought dough, I let it rest out of the fridge for 15 minutes. Once it is stretched, set it aside, preheat the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius. To make the pesto from scratch, we need garlic, salt, roasted pine nuts, and olive oil. I have a recipe on my channel on how to roast pine nuts, so look it up. We blend those ingredients first, then we add some fresh basil leaves and blend well. We're making almost like a sauce for the pizza. Then we add the rest of the leaves, the basil leaves. I use about 70 if you need to know. Then we add some parmesano and more olive oil and integrate all the ingredients. We blend everything really well until we have a homogeneous mix. I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet and be part of this community. A thumbs up helps me a bunch as well. Now that the pesto sauce is done, you can put it on the dough right now, or you can do the following step if you want the pizza to be a little cheesier. I got the whey out of the ricotta cheese, and now I'm going to fold the pesto in. You can add less cheese or more pesto until it is to your liking. I added more pesto to mine. And we are folding and integrating all the ingredients. Once it looks good to you, taste it to see if it needs more salt. But remember that the cheese and the dough already have salt, so you don't want it too salty. Now spread the mixture onto the dough. By now the oven must be at your desired temperature, 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So once we're done spreading the topping, we're gonna bake it for 15 minutes. And I rotate it once halfway to ensure even baking. And the pizza is done. Be careful, don't burn yourself. And as you can see, it's baked properly. I just have to taste it. Check out my other videos at the end. And that's all. Chaito.